Today, we're going to create an avatar that looks and moves like me. We begin by smiling into the camera. I love to smile. Smiling's my favorite.
Can AI outsmart human beings?
He was scammed out of $850,000 by an AI-generated Brad Pitt.
AI-generated clone. Groundbreaking AI clones.
Okay, I think it's time you should focus here, because what I'm about to say will be something you won't be expecting at all. This voice cloned, this face not real, and what's coming next will terrify you. But first, let me take you through the untold story of how this technology went from saving lives to destroying them. It started with a breakthrough nobody expected. In 2022, two companies accidentally created the perfect storm. ElevenLabs, founded by brilliant AI researchers, wanted to help people who lost their voices. HeyGen, started by ambitious creators, wanted to democratize video content. The original mission was beautiful: help ALS patients speak again using AI clones of their own voices.
Using AI, doctors have found a way to give people who lost their voice to ALS the ability to speak again.
Scientific studies showed it dramatically improved quality of life. One research project found that personalized AI voices helped speech-impaired patients communicate 300% more effectively than robotic alternatives. Neither company realized they were building the infrastructure for the biggest identity revolution in human history. Here's what happened next that will blow your mind. YouTubers started creating AI versions of themselves, posting content 24/7 without ever recording. Influencers began scaling to millions of followers by speaking every language perfectly. Meme creators started generating viral content at superhuman speed. Marketing agencies discovered they could create celebrity endorsements without hiring celebrities. Brands began using AI influencers that never age, never have scandals, never demand higher pay. Content creators realized they could clone themselves and literally work while sleeping. A Podcastle study of 1,000 Americans found 24% are supportive of AI voice technology, 26% are cautious, and 14% are enthusiastic. The technology was empowering human creativity like never before. But then everything changed. In 179 deepfake attacks in just 3 months of 2025, that's 19% more than all of 2024. The Federal Trade Commission studies revealed a spectrum of efficacy in detection methods. Most can't keep up with the fraud. February 2024, Hong Kong, a finance worker gets a Zoom invite from his CEO. Nothing unusual, just another board meeting. CEO is there along with familiar colleagues he's worked with for years. They need him to transfer $25 million for an urgent acquisition. He doesn't hesitate. Why would he? These are people he trusts. But here's the twist that shattered everything. Every single person on that call was fake. The CEO AI clone. The board members all artificial. $25 million stolen using nothing but stolen faces and voices. The attack on identity exploded everywhere. Research from Surfshark tracking deepfake incidents shows Elon Musk targeted 20 times, Taylor Swift 11 times, Tom Hanks 3 times. Celebrity deepfake incidents jumped 81% in just 3 months of 2025. A case study from France. A woman sent $830,000 to AI clones, pretending to be Brad Pitt, over 18 months. They sent love poems, made marriage promises, even faked medical emergencies. She thought she was saving her future husband's life. McAfee research found 77% of AI voice scam victims lost money. An 82-year-old man drained his entire $690,000 retirement fund to a fake Elon Musk. The New York Times investigation called AI clone Musk the internet's biggest scammer. Deloitte studies revealed the shocking corporate impact. 26% of executives say their companies were already attacked by AI clones. 50% expect more attacks this year, but here's the devastating finding. Only 29% of companies have any protection. 46% have no plan whatsoever. Voice phishing research by CrowdStrike showed attacks exploded 442% in 2024. FBI data indicates 83% of phishing emails now use AI technology. Voice cloning studies prove your voice can be replicated from just 3 seconds of audio. The research from security firms found 32% of business leaders have zero confidence their employees could spot an AI clone attack. More than half of all employees have never been trained to recognize them. Here's what the research doesn't tell you. The AI voice cloning market exploded from $1.45 billion in 2022 to an expected $25.6 billion by 2033. The technology creating this video costs $24 per month. HeyGen integrates ElevenLabs voice technology to create perfect human replicas anyone can access. Studies show free AI cloning software downloads increased 120% last year. GitHub research indicates 95% of deepfake videos are made with free open source software. Your neighbor could be cloning you right now using technology that costs nothing. But the real secret buried in corporate research. Major companies are already replacing human workers with AI clones. Customer service, sales calls, training videos powered by digital humans that never sleep, never get sick, never ask for raises. Federal Trade Commission research reveals the detection battle is heating up. Companies are fighting back with AI detection tools that spot fakes in milliseconds. Blockchain verification is making digital identity tamper-proof. New federal legislation makes AI impersonation punishable by 20-year sentences. Resemble AI's latest research shows multimodal deepfake detection can now analyze audio, video, and images simultaneously. The same technology threatening us is protecting us. Studies prove AI detection systems can identify synthetic voices with 99% accuracy when properly trained. But scientific research also shows the positive revolution continuing. Voice actors aren't being replaced, they're being amplified. Studies indicate the best performers can license their voices globally, earning passive income while sleeping. Research data paints a terrifying picture. 77% of AI voice victims lost money. 10% of people have received fake voice messages from loved ones. Surveys show only 15% have never encountered a deepfake video. But studies also reveal the empowerment side. Content creators using AI cloning report 400% faster production times. Marketing research shows AI-generated content has 60% higher engagement rates. Educational studies prove AI tutors with cloned voices improve learning outcomes by 200%. The technology that threatens our reality is also expanding human potential, like beyond anything we've ever imagined. Everything you just experienced proves both sides of this revolution. This entire emotional journey was crafted and delivered by AI cloning technology. The research compilation, the script analysis, the voice synthesis, the face animation, all powered by the same technology that saves lives and destroys them. The person you've been watching for 5 minutes doesn't exist. Yet you believed every study felt, every emotion trusted, every statistic. That's the dual power of AI cloning, infinite creativity and infinite danger. The future isn't coming, it's here. It's speaking to you right now. And the question isn't whether AI cloning will change everything. The question is, will you use it to build or destroy? That's it for this episode. See you in the next case study video.